All right, guys, very successful battery swap. Thank you for tuning back in. We are like 7 miles outside of Franklin town, and guys, here I stopped for a little bit, and definitely right in the woods after a rain like this. Yeah, the gnats are coming out right away, guys. So yeah, I would say, guys, when you do come out here and you're wearing shorts and you're cycling, and stuff, definitely bring some bug spray. Because yeah, as soon as you stop, they start sticking to you like glue. All right, hopefully, guys, we'll get to dry off again. Okay, so now, guys, this trail is actually quite significantly veering off into the right from the highway. Let's see what this sign says here. Thousands of years of crossroads. Today, when archaeologists find unique artifacts, they wonder at miles of traveled connections, continued indigenous people of northeast Florida, coastal resources. So this area has been home to people, as I think, yeah, back to 6000 BC. But the Grand Site Shell Ring, 900 to 1200 AD, they were known as the Mocama people, in which Timucuan languages means sea or ocean. The Mocama Timucua village of Sarah Bay, around 1500 to 1610, was a hub for people traveling along key waterways, building dugout canoes. And yeah, the Mocama traveled areas connected as far west as Mississippi. All right, guys, so yeah, this trail now, guys, okay, welcome. $3 per vehicle is required, and then for you to park there. So guys, just being on the bicycle right there, I just saved myself a grand total of $3 right there. So well done me. Well done to me, guys. But yeah, yeah, guys, this is a beautiful trail, and the best part is I pretty much have it all to myself. All right. Guys, it's 1:11 right now, and guess what, guys? I forgot to put my rubber bands. Okay, so yeah, I forgot to put my rubber bands back onto the old phone holder. And guys, doing stuff on your bike when in stride and riding is never recommended, because half of the time you cannot get anything on. Okay, all right, so here we are, guys. We're nicely protected here too, from the wind by these woods, you know. So guys, being on a trail like this, it's really nice, because you know, one of these things is that, yeah, you're quite secluded. Right, so as I can see from the A14, the highway that brought us up here, yeah, this goes like maybe 2 miles away from the road, and then it's gonna return back to the road in a minute. So yeah, guys, look at that. We are in luck. You know, it is a Monday. It is a Monday in March. And yeah, very rarely, probably after the workday gets out of, you know, after business hours, I'm sure there's probably people who come up here to jog and to cycle and to walk. But you know, definitely now this is the treat, guys. This is the real treat. All right, there's a bit of a downhill here. There is a bit of a decline, guys. Agents of Change. So that was the title of that play card. Yeah, we're not going to stop at every one of those play cards, just to give you guys a general idea of what this place is. Yeah.